Good day, everyone. Today we are having Samira Surve from Thakur Vidya Mandir School, who has scored a whopping 99.6%. And the cherry on the cake is she is a Kathak dancer. And from past 8 years, she has been practicing this. So I can say she has been the MS Dhoni, the all-rounder of this year's board exam. So Samira, hi. How are you feeling after scoring?
Hi, I'm feeling very happy.
Pakka, don't be nervous.
Yeah,
Okay. Uh, what was the percentage you were expecting in your 10th standard?
basically, I was expecting above 95,
And you got
but
99.6.
99 came as a surprise.
How was that feeling, that moment when you saw that 99.6?
I was shocked, like, I was very happy.
Shock and happiness together.
Yeah,
Okay. Uh, who was there with you while checking the result? Were you there alone? Parents were there,
my parents were there. Yeah,
so they were very happy.
yeah, very happy. More than me, they were happy and proud of me.
Obviously, they will be proud. 99.6% is not a small number; it's a huge number. And if any Kapil Sharma comes to know, he will say 99.6 तो मेरा battery भी charge होता नहीं है. So, what are you planning to pursue now after your this achievement, Samira?
I'm planning to take commerce
Wow,
and see, I will pursue CA after it.
CA, very good. A good choice of field. Even I belong to
Yeah.
commerce background. Okay, Samira. Now this is a obviously a lame question, but it's okay. I'll ask this. What was your favorite subject in your 10th standard? Which subject you
My
very
favorite subject, right from the seventh standard, it has been Sanskrit
wow?
because I love to learn different languages actually, and I find Sanskrit very interesting.
Okay. And whom do you like to give the credit of your achievement? जो 99.6 मिला है उसका achievement का श्रेय किसको दोगे?
Firstly, my mom and dad.
Okay.
Then comes school, and obviously Mahesh Tutorial has played a very important role.
Did you refer the Robomate during your schooling?
Yes, very much. It helped me a lot actually.
Samira, now you are seeing the current situation wherein the students are under lockdown. And
Yeah,
if you remember your schooling, from 14th April, your classes had begun. And every day,
yeah, yeah,
you were coming to classes. Now, these kids are
yeah,
not coming to the classes. They are sitting at home and studying. So,
yeah.
what tips you would like to give to the forthcoming generation, that is the current pensioned kids, when it comes to Robomate? Because that's the only tool. Okay, for you it was
Hmm.
alternate, but for them it has become mainstream. So, what you would like to guide them with the help of Robomate?
I like to tell them that they should make the most use of RoboMate
Okay,
because even if they have any doubts, even if they just rewatch a particular lesson on RoboMate, it can help them to clear all their doubts, and they can also learn the lessons very fast if they watch the videos on RoboMate
okay.
because that helps me to revise the lessons very well.
Was there any study schedule you followed? Because I read in the newspaper. You
I
couldn't.
did not have any like particular timetable,
Uh,
but every day I used to like plan certain things and then I used to work accordingly.
okay. And also, under this lockdown, you can see the parents are also there at home taking students'
Yeah,
care and studies. So sometimes
yeah.
students feel that parents are as a pressure for them. So do you think the parents are pressure, or we should take their advice? What would you like to tell the
I don't think that parents are pressure. Actually, if we like listen to them, sometimes it is really beneficial for us
okay?
because even like when I was in 10th, sometimes even I thought like when my mom used to say that, okay, now you should study. So
Hmm.
sometimes it becomes like, okay, I know when to study, but if we actually listen to them, I feel that like my mom supported me a lot in 10th. So it is actually because of her that I scored this much, because she always like reminded me that studying is like important.
So who has been your role model behind this achievement?
Uh, I don't actually have any specific role model, but
Okay.
I used to watch motivational videos like to keep me like fresh and motivated all the time.
Okay. And as you told me, your next goal is to become a CA.
Yeah,
Yeah. So your career obviously is towards CA. So
yeah.
what advice would you give to the students appearing for the examination this year?
I like to tell them that they should give some time to self study, because self study helps a lot apart from your school
Samira,
classes and
sorry, I'll
homework.
interrupt you. You spoke about a very beautiful word, self-study. The problem is students
Yeah,
don't know what is self-study. So if
self study is uh, we have school, we go to school, we go to classes. So some students think like, okay, I sat for a lecture for 3 hours, so I studied. So it is not like that. When you come from your school, come from your classes, you have to sit by yourself and actually think about what you learned and how much you understood from it. And you have to revise it and understand the concept behind it. So students should give time to self study.
students, did you listen? What is self-study? Doing school homework or classes homework is not self-study. Self-study is what you do on your own, as told by Samira. Look at her interviews. We have sent you the images. She has said she used to spend 2 hours on her own for studying. Apart of doing the homework, the school homework, the class homework, she used to spend separate 2 hours just for studying by herself. Am I clear? So, self study is what you do on your own, and keep such people as inspiration, because students scoring 99.6% is not a small achievement, it's a huge achievement. So, Samira, thank you very much for being with us. I'm sure you have ignited
Thank you.
hope amongst many of the kids, and I hope they will surely follow you. And even next year, you will see, because of you, somebody else being in that league.
And sir, I'll also like to tell them that not to take any pressure for 10th, and also to continue with their hobbies. Like it helped me to refresh my mind. Like I practice Kathak, or I also play badminton, and I used to swim like when I was in my 10th. So I continued with my hobbies. At least you should have 1 hour where you exercise or hang out with your friends. So that helps in refreshment.
Wow. Thank you, Samira. Thank you for such
Thank
motivational words. I hope the students who are there in 10th standard surely will get motivated and they will give their best. Thank you so
Thank you
much,
so much.
Samira.